Solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Our objective is to use the quadratic formula in solving any quadratic equations. Okay, so this is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is any number but not equal to 0. And our quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, how are we going to use this formula in solving a quadratic equation? So, take this given, x squared minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. So, the step 1 is to lay down all the values of a, b, and c. So, our a here is 1. That is the numerical coefficient of x squared. And our b is located here beside the x, and that is negative 8. And our c is 12, or the constant. So after laying down the values of a, b, and c, write down the formula and substitute the values of a, b, and c into our formula. So our b here is negative 8. So put in negative 8, another b here, negative 8. Then we have here a, that is equal to 1, and c, that is equal to 12. Then another a here, which is equal to 1. Next is simplify, but don't forget to follow the PEMDAS rule. Okay, so in this case, negative times negative 8, so that is positive 8. Negative 8 squared is positive 64. Then negative 4 times 1 times 12 is negative 48. Then 2 times 1 is 2. We can still simplify or subtract 64 minus 48, and this gives us 16. And square root of 16 is 4. Okay, just write down a, 2. Okay, so the two possible values of x are x is equal to 8 plus 4 over 2, and the other one is this minus. X is equal to 8 minus 4 over 2. Now let us solve first the left side equation. 8 plus 4 is 12 divided by 2, it gives us 6. In here, 8 minus 4 is 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. So the two possible values of x is x or 6 or 2. Okay, for the given x squared plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0, same process, lay down the a, b, and c. In this case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to negative 1. Write the formula and substitute the values of a, b, c. So b is negative 3, another b here, positive 3, then another b for positive 3. A is positive 1, and this c is negative 1. And lastly, this a is positive 1. Then, simplify. So, negative 3, write down. 3 squared is equal to 9. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 1, it gives us positive 4. Then 2 times 1 is 2. Then, 9 plus 4 is 13. Then, write down negative 3, positive 2, and plus or minus. So, since 13 is not a perfect square, so it will remain under our radical sign. And this is actually our answer. So, we will just separate them. So, x is equal to negative 3 plus square root of 13 over 2. The other one is x is equal to negative 3 minus square root of 13 over 2. Or we can write this into a set form. So, the final answer is negative 3 plus square root of 13 over 2, or negative 3 minus square root of 13 over 2.